Let's be honest, there's a million things to juggle when you're running an e-commerce business. Marketing, inventory, shipping, customer service, the list never ends. But here's one smart move that most sellers skip until it's too late. Business insurance. And no, I'm not talking about some complicated, expensive setup. I'm talking about Next Insurance, a platform that's built for small, online first businesses. You can get a quote in under 10 minutes, fully online, with no sales calls. You pick the coverage that fits your store, whether you need protection from customer lawsuits, inventory loss, cyber attacks, or shipping damage. Next even bundles essential coverage together in business owner's policy, so you get more and save more. This is what smart, sustainable businesses do. They prepare for the what ifs before they happen. Click the link in my description to check out Next Insurance, get a fast quote, and make one of the smartest business moves you can make today.